Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. If you ever tried opening an EXE app or game on Android and got totally confused, here I'm going to show you how you can install and run EXE apps and games on Android. So an EXE file is a Windows program and it's usually designed for PC, and Android doesn't support it natively, but the cool part is there are ways to run them. But you need to keep this in mind that not all EXE files will work. So what works best are the old or lightweight apps, and also the performance depends on your phone itself. So let's just jump into the methods. So the first method here, you can use one of the most popular tools for running EXE files on Android, the Winlator. So you can just install it from the official website, and then you can launch one once it's installed, and just create a Windows container like this. You can just open it, and don't forget to copy your EXE app or game into the folder. And here you can just tap on the folder and tap on the EXE file to run. This method works great for classic PC games. So the next method, you can use a Wine on Android. Wine allows Windows applications to run on non-Windows systems. Like Winlator, you can just install it and open its file manager, locate your EXE file, and launch the applications. But if you want the most stable option, you can use a remote desktop app. So here the EXE runs on your PC and your phone just control it, no compatibility issues. So which method should you use? If you use Winlator, it's for older games, Wine for light apps, and Remote Desktop for best performance. So you can just choose what fits your needs. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can install and run the EXE apps on games on Android. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and comment if you want another EXE gaming setup guide. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorials. Bye.